Doobity doop doop doobity doo. It's me. Hey guys, it's Bri and welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks. A lot has been going on. It's been really kind of crazy and I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, also BT dubs, this is not like a headdress, it's actually a towel. I washed my hair this morning and so I look kind of special, but moving on. So this video is going to be something quick, something simple. It's not super complicated. For those of you who don't know, I work at Wendy's, and so I usually don't ever leave the house without my makeup on. And so I figured I figured I'd actually show you guys my everyday work makeup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and put on my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my eyelashes, and then we can just kind of get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I went ahead and did my eyelashes. Now my eyebrows are done, so check and check. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to prime our face. Now I like to use the Pond's Clear B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream as a primer. And I'm also going to go ahead, before I put that on, and I'm going to add my e.l.f. Persimmon, I don't know. And it's just this glowy stick that I like to put on my face. I like to do it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s. So I don't know why I counted that for you. I'm gonna go ahead and under. And this just actually makes my face brighter and more dewy. I'm also combining that with the e.l.f. facial whip. I'm not sure what color this is in, but this stuff is really runny, by the way. So I like to take mine out and squirt some in the top of the Pond's, because honestly, I hate when stuff runs in my eyes, and this stuff runs so bad. Just gonna rub that in all over the face, all over my face. That's what I'm gonna do. You guys at home. Oh, by the way, if I keep looking that way, it's because I have a mirror on my medicine cabinet. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my AOA beauty sponge. I call everything a beauty blender, so I'm going to try and not do that because there's only one beauty blender. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. setting spray. I'm going to set the butt of the beauty sponge. And I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. is Wet n Wild. My Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Desert Beige, and just be applying one little swoop of that on the butt of the sponge. I can't say it. I don't like to put on too much foundation because I am going to work and I'm gonna get hot, I'm gonna get sweaty, and it's just not cute to have runny foundation. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend in the foundation. I just do mine in a little dot motion. Now, for those of you who like to use brushes, I don't like using brushes when I do my foundation, for the simple fact that I feel like it gets really streaky and I just don't like that look. When I use a beauty blender, beauty sponge, when people say oh, we absorb some more product, I don't really think so. I mean, because I don't use too much product to waste to begin with. So that's just my personal opinion. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and make sure it's all blended and gross. Now I got really close to the camera right there. I'm so sorry for freaking you guys out. I don't have a zoom on. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't with them. Next, I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. concealer. Now I'm gonna make a video of all the products that I got from my local Dollar Tree, because this is one of them, and this is concealer and highlighter. So it's not my skin color, but I always like to highlight underneath my eyes. I don't know why. It's just this force of habit. So I like to just fix my camera, just take this and actually use that. So I take the little white highlighter part first, and this is what it looks like on the brush. This is the little applicator, and it's the same applicator for both sides, just one for each. And I just take it and do one single little line like under my eyes. And then I do one line of concealer on top. I figured out that putting the concealer on top and then doing the highlighter, like doing that first, it actually makes me look less like ashy. Like I did it before, I did like a full face going to school and I looked really crazy all day. I had to put on a crap ton more bronzer than I'd like to. Now when I go to work, I try to avoid using powders of any kind because I feel like when I do a powder on top of like foundation, it makes me sweat more, it makes my face feel heavier. So I like to do either powder or liquid. I don't like to combine the two like a lot do. So I'm just going to take that and blend that out underneath my eye with my beauty sponge. So for contouring, I'm going to take my e.l.f. brow pomade, and this is in the color light brown. I know what you're thinking, you're using eyebrows for your, yeah, don't judge it. And then I'm taking this sponge, and this sponge came from the Dollar Tree, so it's far from a beauty blender. I got it a while ago. Now I don't really wet this one too much or anything, because I went ahead and pre-sprayed like some setting spray, shook it up in the bottle so that would be like easier to come out. And we're just going to go ahead and alrighty, so next we're gonna take and bake, but I'm not baking with powder. I'm taking this Sassy Chic foundation. This is in the color medium. And I'm gonna be taking some off my beauty sponge and just kind of cutting the contour.
I kept growing. I knew that this life was meant for me. People change up more than wishing wells. Karma come around, I wish them well. Living like I'm on a limitless pill. I kill, seem like I'm dizzy.
Next I'm gonna actually be taking, no, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna take some more of the facial whip. I like to actually use this one, and I like to take the little permission, whatever. And I actually just discovered this like little thing, trick, hack, whatever, yesterday. And I just put a little bit, just get kind of close, a little bit of the facial whip on top of that. And I use that as highlight, like a highlighter base. And I actually really like it because I like the rose goldiness of it. I don't own like much rose gold stuff, but I'll show you guys what I mean. Like that's what it looks like on my finger. And then I just take it, and where I apply a highlight, I apply that. I'm opening my mirror, by the way, so I can see, kinda. You guys know I still can't see anything because, you know, your girl is like blind. And just applying that all over. A mirror may not be late to work. Oh well. And just kind of like take the stick and just dot whatever liquid is off that's excess of that, because lately I've just been liking the whole rose gold kind of. Now on top of that, I'm going to be applying some actual like powder highlighter. This is the only kind of powdery thing that I apply when doing my makeup. No, it's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette, and as you can see, mine broke. When I was at my state competition for FDLA, I was so sad. Honestly, this is my favorite highlighting palette ever. So I like to take my brush, which is this little circular one that I got in a packet from Wish, take some more of my e.l.f. setting spray, spray the tip of the brush, and then I like to take, I'm going to try and show you guys, this color here and mix it with this pink color to get even more of a rose goldy look. I was in love when I did that look yesterday. Oh, it's cracking even more. I'm just gonna have to stop being cheap and buy another stupid highlighter, but I'm just so cheap. It hurts. This thing was like $5. That's so much money. Cheap. And I like to just dot in the highlighter. I don't like to like spread it too much. Like, I like to pat it in rather than like blend it, I guess. Just because I feel like that gives it a better application. I know anytime that you wet a brush with setting spray, it automatically makes whatever you're using a heck of a lot more pigmented. So, excuse me. that was gross. Yep. Now I'm going to be taking this little e.l.f. highlighter, and it's the shimmer highlighter powder in the color Sunset Glow. And I'm actually just applying that a little bit on top. I just really like my highlight to pop when I'm at work, so people think I'm not sweaty when in reality I'm so sweaty. I don't know. I just prefer this. Add some to the nose, because why not? And Cupid's bow. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Amuse cheek and eye stick. This I got from Miss A. If you haven't seen my Miss A haul, check that out. And I just do like clown makeup with that, really. I mean, you guys see I look crazy. And I like to just go ahead and take a brush. This is just a Wet n Wild. It's actually a contouring brush, but I use it for blush because why not? And I like to just blend it in. And for the final step, I'm just going to be setting my face with some setting spray. So it's like the most refreshing part of my day because it's like so cold on my face. Alrighty guys, so I totally forgot about my lips. I forgot to show you guys what I do for them. So it's nothing too complicated. I just take a cheap chapstick. This is like from the Dollar Tree or something. It's literally not even expensive. I think it's in like the flavor like hot fudge. It's supposed to be a Pop-Tart. By the way, I love Pop-Tarts. It's a simple obsession. It's not even like healthy. And now I'm going to be taking this LA Colors Metal Lip Gloss. Now I'm going to also have a full Dollar Tree haul because I got a bunch of makeup from Dollar Tree, so look forward to that. And then I'm taking my Diamond Lip Gloss in the color Glam, and this is from my Miss A haul, which you guys can still check out because, yeah. So I like to apply this one. It hides on like gloss, but it dries like a matte, but it's sparkly, and I love it so much. I'm looking at the mirror, not you guys, sorry. I love it so much, oh my god. And I apply the diamond right on top of that. Because and I went ahead and applied some mascara. This is the Mega Length Mascara by Wet n Wild. I applied it to my bottom lashes. And that's really it. This look is pretty much complete. I'm going to have another Wendy's video for you guys coming up soon. It's actually going to be like secret hacks, like 10 hacks you can... Alrighty guys, so this is my full everyday, going to work look. Now for right now, I only work on the weekends because of school and everything, but as soon as school gets out, I'll probably start full time. As you can see, just got my hair in a ponytail. Shedding. I have my little name tag, and so yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter. And yeah, now I have this new thing called I don't remember what it's called, but I'll make sure to link that too. It's like this app where I just go and review makeup and products and stuff. So things that I don't tell you in my videos, you guys can actually see it on my page there. And make sure to like tell your friends, and I'll have like a code and everything so you can go directly to my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and bye guys. Bri'onna Lassiter's really great, really great, really great. Bri'onna Lassiter's really great and deserves the opposite of hate, which is love.